Driven by innovation and grounded in quality, we create value for global customers through intelligence and effort. Founded in 2010, ULi started as a 17-person team focused on the design and production of paper products. Over time, it has grown into an industry leader with modern factories, an annual production capacity of 500 million, and multiple international brand licenses. We consistently uphold innovation. From the early simple products to the upgrading of smart manufacturing equipment, the development of trendy products, and collaboration with internationally renowned brands, we continue to enhance the core competitiveness of our products. We continue to invest in industry-leading automated production equipment to maximize cost reduction and efficiency, creating greater value for our customers. These include the most advanced 5+1 color management printing machines, fully automatic card pasting machines, fully automatic die cutting machines, automatic game card machines, automated book and booklet production lines, and automated packaging lines, among others. We have a comprehensive quality control system and have obtained multiple international certifications, including BSCI, FSC, ISO 14001, and others. We offer a diverse range of product manufacturing services, including board game cards, educational puzzles, game sets, children's publications, and various holiday gift boxes, catering to the ODM and OEM needs of global customers. We have established long-term partnerships with internationally renowned brands such as Disney, Marvel, Walmart, Target, and others. Our products are well received in over 30 countries and regions around the world. Enhancing value through quality, we aim to be a benchmark in the educational industry. ULi uniting excellence to brighten the world, deliver joy, and inspire the future.